Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's trace and paint them together.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And
B,
the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
C, D, E,
The itsy bitsy spider went up the
F,
water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun
G,
and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
H. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A is for apple.
Itsy spider went up the water spout.
A is for ant.
Down came the rain and washed
A is for antlers, on top of a deer.
out came the sun and dried up all the rain.
B is for ball.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
B is for bat. B is for banjo, it's loud and it's clear. C is for carrot. C is for car. C is for candle, with its flickering light. D is for duck. D is for door. D is for dreams, you have in the night. E is for elevator. E is for egg. E is for egg, the white and the yolk. F is for fish. F is for flag. F is so funny, when you tell a joke. G is for guitar. G is for glass. G is for games, you play every day. H is for hammer. H is for hat. H is for hair, and your grandpa's is gray. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Please like and subscribe to my channel.